are riding the AquaMouse on the Disney Destiny. If you enjoy this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the bell icon to know when we update a new video. Now let's go. First, we're going to return these towels real quickly, and then we will be on our way. So the theme for the AquaMouse this time will be Mermaid Lagoon. And I have to admit, you get quite wet.
Yep, it's okay.
So let's go. Right now there is no line, so the AquaMouse does get pretty packed, so
Either way.
there might be a little short line. It says 10 minutes, but we're not really sure because it was a walk-on last time. Yeah. There is a short little line, so
It's not a walk-on anymore, huh?
nope, it is not a walk-on. We went on it twice before we recorded this, so
Sorry.
that time it was a walk-on, but not anymore. It gets busy pretty quickly. But anyways, this is a tube that you go up. It's really cool. I love it. It's really fun. Okay, it is almost our turn. I have to admit, this ride is quite fun. I really enjoy it. Alright, we're next. So the episode it's referring to is the Wonders of the Deep. Alright, let's go. Okay.
Okay, come on.
Let's go.
Okay, underneath, remember?
Oh yeah.
Point it a little bit down.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. Right, let's go. Oh, so cool. My raft is full of water. Good thing there's holes. There we go.
Well, you made it. Now, please stay seated until your raft reaches the dock. Then step on out to your right.
It's a very quick ride, but I mean it's really cool. So I guess it's worth the wait. If there's a wait time, it's worth it, really.
Welcome back. Please stay seated until your raft reaches the dock.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Good job.
If you go on it, be sure to be careful of the floor because it moves. It's on a track, so get in as quickly as you can. Anyways, that is all for now. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the bell icon to know when we update a new video. Thank you.